Welcome to 2-Minute Physics on the topic of heat. In this episode, we will be covering thermal equilibrium and heat transfer. When a hot object and cold object comes into contact, heat flows. This is thermal contact. We all know heat will flow from hot objects which has more heat to cold objects. But in reality, heat does flow from cold to hot objects too, just less. This will continue to a point when heat flows into and from the objects are the same. At this point, both objects achieves the same temperature, and net heat flow forward and backwards is equals to 0 joule. They now achieve with something called the thermal equilibrium. Now we will come back to the snowman and the coffee. When the coffee is poured onto the poor little snowman, they come into thermal contact. More heat is transferred from the coffee to the snowman than the reverse. The temperature of the snowman rises until it is warm enough to melt into a puddle of water. At this point, the coffee and the snowman is at thermal equilibrium of the same temperature. Might as well we say iced coffee. We can see from this diagram how fast the other end of the fire gets hot depends on several factors. First, the material of the conductor. It's a wood or a metal. Or the size of the conductor. Is it a long bar or a short bar? And lastly, the amount of heat supplied to the system. Thank you for watching this episode of 2-Minute Physics. Thank you for watching 2-Minute Physics. Please share, like, and subscribe if you like our videos.